Leaky door gasket? Well, I'm Dustin the Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace this door gasket for GE dishwashers with a plastic tub. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The tub door gasket on this GE dishwasher creates a watertight seal between the dishwasher's door and tub. This one-piece gasket starts at the bottom, runs up the side, across the top of the opening, and down to the other side. You may need to replace the seal if you notice any of the following: visible cracks or splits in the gasket, water leaking from the bottom or sides of the door, a loose or improper door seal, mold buildup, or a persistent bad odor around the gasket area. If your dishwasher door is leaking, be sure to also inspect the door gasket located at the bottom of the door where it meets the tub. The tub door gasket and door gasket work together to keep water contained inside the dishwasher. If the bottom door gasket looks worn or damaged, check out our video on how to replace it. If you need to purchase a replacement plastic tub door gasket for your GE dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. No tools are needed for this repair. To remove the old tub door gasket, open the dishwasher door all the way and locate the gasket. For filming purposes, we are going to remove the lower rack, but it's not necessary for the repair. Starting at either end of the gasket, slowly pull the gasket out from the mounting channel on the dishwasher. Make a mental note of the orientation of the old gasket for installation of the new gasket. Once the gasket is removed from the appliance, discard the old tub door gasket. Check and clean the gasket track for any debris or remnants of the old gasket. If you need to purchase a new plastic tub door gasket, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. Search with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to be sure you're getting the correct part. To install the plastic tub door gasket, begin by locating some identifying marks on the gasket that will help you ensure that it's installed properly. The text will tell you which side of the gasket should face inwards towards the tub, and the circle or dot will be printed at the center of the gasket to help you align it evenly. However, before relying on the center mark, double check its placement by lining up both ends of the gasket to see if the mark truly falls at the center. In our case, the mark is slightly off, so we'll make a small adjustment during the installation process. Starting in the middle of the gasket track directly below the door latch, start inserting the gasket into the track and press it in all the way until it fully seats. Remember, the orientation text should be facing the inside of the tub of the dishwasher. Moving either left or right, work the gasket into the track, slowly making sure you do not stretch the gasket while you move forward. Take your time and be sure that the gasket is fully seated before moving forward. As you enter the corner, work slowly, being sure not to stretch the gasket as you work it into the track. Visually inspect that the gasket is smooth and flat without rolling in or out. If it isn't flat, pull the gasket out back to where it was inserted correctly. Once the corner is installed correctly, continue to move down the side until you reach the end. The gasket should come all the way to the base of the tub. If your gasket is too short or too long, pull the gasket from the track and reinstall, being sure not to stretch or bunch the gasket. The gasket should fit in the track and should not be trimmed. Returning back to the middle where you started, repeat the process on the other side, being careful not to stretch the gasket as you install it. After finishing the second side, compare the excess lengths at the end of each side. If there's a noticeable difference between each side, pull the gasket out and make the necessary adjustments so both sides are closer to equal. After the gasket is correctly installed, double-check the entire gasket for stretching, bunching, rolling, or bulging. If the gasket looks good, close the dishwasher and run a cycle to test for leaks. After running a cycle and your dishwasher does not leak, your dishwasher is now ready for use. So that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin the Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.